Looking to calculate toll and fuel cost to your destination? Use TollGuru web calculator to get reliable and accurate trip costs. First, let's calculate tolls with bare minimum inputs. First, enter start and destination addresses. Let's say we are going from Paris, France, to Doncaster, UK. Then select the appropriate vehicle. Here, we choose a truck with a 6-axle. Hit submit. That's it. You have tolls for your route. Our apps are free for all vehicles. For toll calculations in our web calculator, you need to sign up for a paid plan for trucks. Now let's make cost calculations more accurate. Say you want to better estimate fuel and toll costs. You can add vehicle information like weight, height, length, using optional vehicle info. For fuel, add fuel efficiency and fuel price. For Paris, France, we enter €1.90 per liter. And click on Submit. That's it. Now you have a better estimate of fuel expenses and toll expenses. Better still, you can compare routes by time and cost. On the map, you can see multiple routes to reach our destination. Down here, we can see the total cost of the trip including toll cost and fuel cost. On the left side, we can select the Toll Details button where we can see the breakdown of the costs, payment options, and toll locations. As shown in the pop-up, the toll cost for our trip is €67.30. As you can imagine, based on traffic conditions such as accidents, optimal routes to your destination can change. In that case, the cheapest and the fastest routes will also change. Using TollGuru web calculator, we can choose the cheapest route among the given options and save more than €7.60 on a single trip. If time is a bigger concern, you can travel on the fastest route. Subscribe to TollGuru. Let us know if you have any questions by emailing at feedback@tollguru.com.